Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys, how can we change font style in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to change your font style in your Samsung phone, so how can you change it? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's say guys, how can we change font style in Samsung phone. So friends, first of all guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, click on guys your display setting guys, tap here, then guys scroll again friends, you can see your font and style setting guys, tap here friends, click on your font style setting guys. You can see guys I have got these three font style guys. You want to download fonts, so friends you can download in your Samsung phone. So we will click on the Samsung phone font style setting. So friends, come back. So friends, you can see guys this is Samsung one, the Samsung one style guys. You can see, then I come back. So once you can see your font style will change into Samsung one font style setting. So like that guy, we can change our font style in our Samsung mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, bye bye friends.